Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to participate in the block games airdrop. So block game is farming life. It's a unique social file experience that can grant you points by tweeting, retweeting, quoting, liking others' posts, and also playing games. So let's get right into it. You connect with your Google account, enter the referral code of the person that referred you, submit, create your nickname. You have to write your nickname. After writing the nickname, you click on create. You are into the website. Once you are in the website, click on go to airdrop. Then link your Twitter account. You have a lot of tasks to do. So you claim your points for linking your Twitter account. Then you do all these tasks. Follow GetBlockGames on Twitter. You click on all these tasks and perform each and every one of them. As you can see, there are a lot of tasks to perform. So make sure you click on each and every one of them and perform all the tasks. Navigate through the website and look for the tasks you are supposed to do. You can see the weekly points. If you click on the weekly points, you see different things there. Points you get weekly for performing some of the tasks. If you click on the extra points, you see also things you're supposed to do to get those points. Then the next thing is to connect your wallet. Go to Vault, connect your Ethereum wallet. Click on connect Ethereum wallet. It will take you to your MetaMask. Click on your MetaMask, connect your wallet, sign whatever you're supposed to sign there, and your wallet is connected. Then, if you want to refer other people, click on referrals, copy your referral link, and share to others. You can see you can receive 1,200 credits and 120 pace points for referring other people. So, for you to complete your profile, click on complete your profile. You will see a lot of things that you are supposed to do for your profile to be completed. And once your profile is completed, you get 1,000 points. For you to be able to play the game, you have to download the mobile app. So I'll be posting the link on the description box where you will download the mobile app. Then you continue doing your tasks from the mobile app. Once you download the mobile app, you can see a lot of games here. So you choose any of the games you want to play, click on it. So we are going to be activating one game. Choose the game you want to play, click on activate, then it will take you to your Play Store. Download the game, come back to the Block Games app, click on play game. So you see a lot of points you will get as you continue playing the games. Another way to get points is to engage in your Twitter account. All you need to do is to make a tweet in your Twitter account, tag $block or at GetBlockGames in your tweet. You have to tag them. If you don't tag them, you will not earn. Then engage in other people's tweets for you to be able to earn social points automatically every week. Then for your engagement points, you have to play games. You get your engagement points when you play games, and you get your social points when you engage on Twitter. So these are the basic things you're supposed to do with this block game app. I wish you a happy farming. See you next time.